How do you estimate construction? Fast, accurate techniques for estimating construction costs. In order to quickly produce accurate construction estimates, you need to develop a unit cost method for estimating your construction projects. Estimating starts with good plans. Any estimator must know how to read plans. And they must have a good set of plans to work from. Without a good set of plans, it is virtually impossible to know if the customer's idea of what they want done matches your understanding of what they want done. It is almost guaranteed that your concept of the job will differ from the customer's without a good set of plans. You should not attempt any kind of a construction estimate without a set of accurate plans. Tell your prospective customer that unless and until they authorize you or someone else to do a set of plans that will pass the plan review at the local building department, the most you will give them is a very rough approximate for their job. Stick estimating. One of the biggest time wasters is estimating by the old stick estimating method. For those new to the business, stick estimates involve a number of steps. List all the various parts of the job. List all the hours that it will take someone to complete each portion. List all the materials that will be used on each part of the job. List each subcontractor that you will need. List all the other items you will have to purchase or rent to get the job completed, such as permits, rentals, porta-potties, etc. Go back through your lists and put a cost on each item. Last, have a knowledgeable second party double-check your lists and your math. This step is the one few estimators bother to do. These steps, properly followed, will result in an accurate job cost. Apply your markup, and you have a price. Unfortunately, because it is so time-consuming, it is seldom done with care and the result is often a sales price that is inadequate to cover the cost of the job, let alone the overhead and any profit required by the company. Unit cost estimating. Estimating should be done by unit cost only. It is much faster, as much as 2 times, than stick estimating, just as accurate, and gets you back in front of the customer sooner. You can't take 3 or 4 weeks with your quotation. You need to be back in front of your customers with a quote in 3 to 5 days, at most 7 to 10 days. Larger jobs plus $100,000 may take a day or 2 longer because you need to get quotes from your subs, but no longer than that. Unit costing follows the following steps. Compile all the line items, assemblies, for the job. Attach a unit cost to each line item, assembly. Total your numbers and have them checked by a second party that knows what they are doing. Apply your markup, and you have a price. Then get back to your customer with your quotation and move on with the sale. Computerized estimating systems. In my 40+ years in construction, one of the best improvements to estimating is the development of construction estimating software programs. The individual who insists on doing estimates longhand is open to errors. Doing estimates by hand is slow, out of date, inefficient and an irresponsible use of time. If I were the company owner or sales manager, I would not hire an individual for a sales and estimating position unless they were competent on an estimating software program or willing to learn and use one. Regardless of the kind of work you do, today's customers want a quote in a timely manner. You can no longer take 10, 15 or 20 days to put an estimate together. The nice folks will go to another contractor to have the job done. Today's culture is, no, not tomorrow, I want it today, like it or not. That is the culture we operate in. If you want their business, comply with their time schedule. If you are not up to speed on some type of computerized estimating system, it is time to change.